इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट असेंबली लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम्स, व्हाट इज़ असेंबली लैंग्वेज एंड इट्स एडवांटेजेस एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ असेंबली लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम। तो पहले हम देखेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट असेंबली लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम। असेंबली लैंग्वेज is a low-level programming language for a computer or other programmable device specific to particular computer architecture in contrast to most high-level programming languages. These languages, this language, which are generally portable across multiple systems. Assembly language is converted into executable machine code by a utility program referred to an assembler like NASM and MASM. Now, how we can define assembly language? Assembly language is a low-level programming language for microprocessors and other programmable devices. It is not just a single language, but a group of languages. Assembly language implements a symbolic representation of the machine code needed to program a given CPU architecture. Now, this is the simple definition of assembly language program. Now, what are the different advantages of assembly language program? Now, first advantage, assembly language program interface with OS, operating system, processor, and BIOS, basic input output system. Second benefit of assembly language program is representation of data in memory and other external devices. Next advantage is it process. It means that the processor access and executes instruction. Next advantage is how the instruction access and process data. Next benefit of assembly language program, it requires less memory and execution time. Also, it always hardware specific complex jobs in an easier way. And the next advantage is it is suitable for time critical jobs. Now there are so many advantages of assembly language programming. Now these are the few of them. Now next is the structure of assembly language program. Now assembly language program is a series of statements which are either assembly language instructions such as add and move or statements called directives. A square bracket indicates that the field is optional. The label field always the program to refer to a line of code by a name. So see, this is the format of assembly language program. In this format, we use different parameters. The first parameter is a memory address. Now, this parameter is the location where the operation code is stored. Next parameter is a label. Now, this parameter is optional and this is used for name of line, or also it is used in jump instructions. Next parameter is a mnemonic name. Now this parameter, it consists of instruction and operands. Next parameter of this structure is O code. This is called as a operational code. Now this parameter is a corresponding hexadecimal code for the instruction. And the last parameter of this structure is a comments. This parameter is optional and this parameter is useful for understanding purpose of instruction. So how to use this structure in a programming, see the example. In the first parameter we have to write the memory address 5000. Next parameter is a label. This is optional when we write a first line. And next parameter is a mnemonic name. We use the instruction of 8085 microprocessor. add is the instruction and B is the register. Next is the operational code, and this value is a hexadecimal. It represents capital H. And the last parameter is an optional parameter. Now this is used for understanding the purpose of instruction. It means that the add contents of B register to the contents of A.